If a trading strategy loses more often than it wins, is it a bad strategy? Look at these two counters. The red loss counter is clearly outpacing the green win counter, yet the total bankroll at the top steadily grows. To understand how that happens, we need to look past the raw win count. True performance relies on three specific metrics working together: success rate, payoff ratio, and profit factor. Let's build a clean data set. Imagine a robot that executes exactly 10 trades. 4 of those trades are winners, generating a total profit of $1,200. The other 6 trades are losers, resulting in a total loss of $600. This single set of numbers contains everything we need to evaluate profitability. Evaluating a strategy by only counting the number of winning and losing trades hides the actual mechanics of how it makes or loses money. Let's start with success rate. This is strictly the percentage of winning trades compared to the total number of trades taken. In our 10-trade scenario, we have 4 winning trades. 4 divided by 10 gives us a success rate of exactly 40%. 40% looks like a failing grade. Relying on this number alone causes many traders to abandon perfectly viable systems. We need a secondary metric to provide context. That metric is the payoff ratio. It compares the average profit per winning trade against the average loss per losing trade. First, we find the average win. We take our $1,200 total profit and divide it by our 4 winning trades. That equals an average win of $300. Next, we find the average loss. We take the $600 total loss and divide it by the 6 losing trades. That gives us an average loss of $100. Now we divide the average win of $300 by the average loss of $100. The result is a payoff ratio of 3.0. A payoff ratio of 3 means every single dollar lost is offset by $3 gained. Because the winners are 3 times as large, the system easily absorbs a 40% success rate and remains highly profitable. There is a distinct difference between averages and totals. While payoff ratio relies on averages, our final metric, profit factor, looks strictly at the totals. Profit factor is the ratio of total profit from winning trades to the total loss from losing trades. Let's test this. Using our original scenario of $1,200 in total wins and $600 in total losses, pause the video and calculate the profit factor. $1,200 divided by $600 equals a profit factor of 2.0. Any profit factor greater than 1.0 means the strategy is mathematically profitable. A score of 2.0 indicates the system generates exactly twice as much money as it loses overall. Returning to our starting point, the heavy lifting in this strategy is done by the payoff ratio. A massive 3.0 payoff ratio pulls a failing 40% success rate up to a very healthy 2.0 profit factor. Here is a position-based performance scorecard. You can locate the rows for success rate, profit factor, and payoff ratio stacked neatly on the left side. Reading these together in the overall column gives an immediate diagnostic on the health of your strategy. You can see instantly if a high win rate is masking tiny profits, or if a low win rate is supported by massive individual winners. Here is the consolidated reference guide. Success rate compares the winning trades to total trades. Payoff ratio measures the average win against the average loss, and profit factor compares the total win to the total loss. Grab a screenshot of this cheat sheet and keep it next to your charts. True strategy evaluation goes far beyond simple win and loss counting. Now you have the math to prove it.